하얀색,
하얀색,
검은색,
검은색,
보라색,
보라색,
파란색,
파란색,
빨간색,
빨간색,
노란색,
노란색,
금색,
금색,
은색.
은색.
Hi, welcome back to another episode of 한국남매.
Where you get to learn how to speak Korean and hear us talk about everything that revolves and relates to the Korean culture and customs.
Yes. We're gonna talk about color, 색 or 색깔. 그래서 오늘은 스티븐이 영어로 색깔을 말하면 제가 한국어로 여러분들께 알려드릴게요.
So if I say the colors in English, you're going to say them in Korean.
Right.
Okay. How about white?
하얀색, 백색.
백색.
백색. 백 means white.
Black.
Black.
What's black?
검은색. That means black. And then, sorry. 흑색.
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 Purple.
Purple. 보라색.
보라색.
In Chinese character. 자색.
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 What about blue?
Blue, that's my favorite color. 파란색.
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 Uh-huh.
And in Chinese?
청색.
Red.
Red. 빨간색.
빨간색.
In
Okay.
Chinese character. 홍색 or 적색.
Yellow.
노란색.
노란색.
And in Chinese character. 황색.
황색.
Oh, there.
Air.
황색.
What about gold?
금색.
What about 금색 in Chinese characters?
금 is Chinese character. 금색
Gold.
and silver, 은
은.
is just Chinese character. We use Chinese character.
Gold, 금,
금,
and silver is
은,
은.
은, 금메달,
Yes.
은메달, gold medal, silver medal.
What's bronze?
동,
동, bronze.
동,
Bronze.
동메달.
동.
하얀색, 백색, 검은색, 흑색, 보라색, 자색, 파란색, 청색, 빨간색, 홍색, 적색, 노란색, 황색, 금색, 은색.
There are a lot of
Okay.
colors, and there are a lot of names for colors, right?
Right.
We've only covered just a few colors.
Right. But in Korea, there are so many 노란색.
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 한국의
한국의 노란색 명칭.
We'll try and figure out the names of these
Right.
yellows, right?
Let's start with this one.
That's gonna be Tweety Bird yellow.
Tweety bird yellow.
Yeah.
상아색.
They're white. That's ivory.
It looks like this one, no?
Tweety Bird. No, that's all Korean. No. Norikiri.
놀이끼리. Not exactly yellow, but brighter than yellow, I think.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
놀이끼리.
All right.
That looks yellow.
That's banana milk yellow.
어, 밝은 노란색?
밝은 노란색. Let's
밝은
check it out.
노란색.
It was 노르스름. 노르스름.
놀이끼리? 노르스름.
Next
Okay.
one. What's this one? What do you
That's
think?
definitely yellow.
Okay, that's just 노랑.
노랑.
Like straight up 노랑. Okay.
Just 노란색.
Banana chip 노랑.
I like it. Okay, let's check that. 연노랑. 연 means
Light yellow. Isn't this one light yellow?
And I think this paper is kind of really short and that should be really 노랑.
That's really smart. I didn't think about that. 노랑.
No! 누런.
누런.
That word is for like teeth.
If you like yellow teeth, go to the dentist. Ask us from 누런 teeth, please.
나는 개나리.
I'm gonna say mustard 노랑.
What's the gonna
Heinz.
be this one? Or this one? 샛노랑. I'm exhausted now.
Yeah.
익은 바나나 노랑.
Oh.
Not work.
Oh, no. I got it. Egg yolk.
Egg yolk. No, that was just 노랑. Seriously?
Oh, wow. So this is just the yellow.
Yeah.
Okay, just straight up yellow. Mustard 노랑.
뭐가 나도. I agree with that.
Okay.
머스타드 노랑. 노른. We usually use this word for food, like Korean pancake. 노릇노릇 구워지다. 탁한 노랑. Ash yellow.
Ash yellow? Okay. I'm going for straight up mustard again.
진노랑.
Dark.
진 means like more dark. And then last one. What do you think?
Khaki yellow?
Yeah, it looks like more khaki. Don't
Done?
know. I never heard about it.
This is going to be on the test next week. Memorize all these yellows.
무슨 색 좋아해요?
무슨 색 좋아해요?
Which
What color do you like?
아하.
Okay.
스티븐 무슨 색 좋아해요?
저는
어.
파란색.
파란색 좋아해요.
네.
청색, blue.
That's right. 청색, 파란색.
I think
blue.
blue looks good on you.
Oh, thank you.
어,
해나는 무슨 색 좋아해요?
저는 빨간색 좋아해요.
빨간색.
Red.
Red.
It wasn't really hard today, right?
No, I think it was pretty easy. It's pretty
Okay.
simple.
Okay. From us,
To you, 한국.
남매.
See you next time.
Next time. 열공하세요.
열공하세요.